Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to wrap hair in Photoshop. First of all, click the selection tool, right click on your mouse, click quick selection tool, plus this, then click and drag it or select. Okay. Then press Ctrl C or duplicate layer. Press Ctrl. Now you can see this. Create this layer. Press Ctrl T. Right click on your mouse or simply click this icon or click and drag it. Again press Ctrl T or you added this smoothly. Okay, then click it, select eraser tool, use for bracket tool. Okay, I cut this smoothly. Okay, and added this one layer and two layer. Okay, hold Ctrl, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like